Alright, this is Nathan Summers from Mayfire Design, and today we are going to go ahead and replace a nozzle in the Bambu P1S. We're going to go ahead and put a brand new 0.4 nozzle in. Right now it has a 0.6. It's running a little rough, so I thought I'd take things apart, take a look at what's going on, replace the nozzle, and go ahead and do a nice little calibration. So I thought we could do all that together. And this is definitely a good thing for the future plans of training courses I will be putting together as workshops. Again, that's a beginner training course. This would be something into more of an intermediate. But again, it'll all work together. So, here we go. So first thing first, if you do have filament in here, you want to make sure to go ahead and get that on out, because you do want this machine turned off when you are unplugging the fan and the hot end cables up top there. So we'll go ahead and take that out. Alright, so now everything is off. All filament has been taken out. So I do get a bit of a creaking going on over here in this corner that I've noticed lately. So I am going to do a little bit of adjustment with the rods while I'm right here. There are these two clip areas. You got a clip here and here. You got two, and you got a clip here. You got two here. You loosen those up just a bit. You do not want to take them completely out. You loosen those up. You want to go ahead and move the whole gantry forward. Move it back. Make sure everything feels smooth. If you have compressed air, it's a good time to just lightly blow some compressed air through where these gears are that you see, just in case there's any little bit of stuff in there. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now. Alright, so I got the right size Allen wrench. And like I said, you just want to undo these both equally in just a little bit. And just Alright. Next, we're going to go ahead and pop the magnetic cover off. There we go. And that itself, too, is also connected right here. So you can go ahead and just pop that one out and put this aside if you like. And again, I'm doing this with two hands, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So our target is right there. Those two Allen wrenches above that hot end with the fan there. But we want to make sure that we do take out the two clips. One is the hot end and one is the fan. So we'll go ahead and take those clips out now. So once you have the two bolts off, and they're relatively long bolts, this thing should go ahead and just kind of wiggle itself right on out. Make sure you got those connectors apart. They kind of go around a little clip right there. So again, let me be careful and do it with two hands. Alright, and there we have it. That is the older one. That's the 06. And it did work well. Again, I just got a big printer, so this is going to turn into my detailed printer. So my next choice is going to be a 0.2. If Bambu's listening, that'd be nice. So yeah, let's go ahead and now put back in the other one. And go ahead and start calibrating. So with everything back together, you gotta go ahead and turn it back on. Hopefully we get a good signal. And one of the things you do have to do here in the machine itself is go over to accessories, go to nozzle, go back up to the, I want to believe it is a stainless steel. We'll go back, and then we are going to calibrate. And if you want to grease up the rails and stuff right now, it'd be a good time to do that. So let's go ahead and let that happen. So now the other part is to make sure you go back over, switch your nozzles back to a 0.4, and then what I usually like to do is I will run a few of these calibrations because I'm setting up for something that's pretty big, takes almost a whole roll, and I know it's made out of matted, and I have a different color but same brand, so I'm going to utilize that and run a few tests, and then that's about it. That's why Bambu makes it pretty simple to go ahead and change a nozzle and get it, you know, up and going, compared to a lot of these other printers that make it kind of more difficult than it needs to be. But all right, hope you enjoyed. Again, help support. Let's get 3D printing in every home. It's going to be the next microwave, and let's help support that. I am starting a training on a beginning workshop for my community to start doing a community training course. I will be handing it out to specific people who are interested in doing this, so let me know. Thank you.